Oh, wow! I didn't realize I was getting an audience. I guess it would be improper if I didn't introduce myself. My name is Harry E. Wolf. You may know me as the Big Bad Wolf. I know, I'm the creature you're supposed to run away from. The villain your parents tell you about in your bedtime stories. But believe me, not all of those stories are entirely true. I'm actually not that bad. You see, what happened here was an accident. I didn't mean to build on this little straw house. And I won't stop until I can talk to those little pigs and tell them how sorry I am for knocking their house over.
Where's the pig?
Ran? No. My paws are hurting and I think I'm getting bunions.
What are bunions?
Ooh, I get to choose? Great! Cue music! That was fun, but really tiring. Little pigs, can we talk, please?
Not by the hair on our vacation.
I don't care about your facial hair. I'm just trying to... Oh, my asthma. Ooh.
So, the wolf huffed and puffed and tried to blow the house down.
Are you kidding me? I'm just trying to breathe over here. Little pigs, let me in so I can apologize.
The wolf could not convince the explode and they decided to get to the house by thunder.
The chimney! That's a great idea. I'll climb down the chimney and they'll have to hear me out.
The wolf ignored the fact that they were breaking and entering and continued on their quest to get to the pigs. The wolf climbed all the way to the top of the house, but what the wolf didn't know is that the little pigs placed a large pot of boiling water.
Say what now? Oh no!
Oh my goodness.
No, wait! It wasn't a hot boiling pot of water. I actually landed in their hot tub. And it turns out the little pigs are really nice. And they forgave me for blowing their houses over. And they really do have cool little pig beards. They even invited me to stay for their party. Apparently the really goes Grubber coming by. And it's gonna be off the chain!
We still...
Who are you?
What is she saying?
No, wait! That's just a really big misunderstanding, okay? I had her over for breakfast. Not for breakfast!
Well, folks, you might not want to stick around for this next part. Well, we hope you have a great adventure. turn starts loading. Please may see until the gates are loaded for you once. Please may see until the train is no longer moving. The gates open for you. Please don't open the gate for yourself. I will do this for you. Again, please not open the gate. Please remember to take your first one. Please